In this next video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your phone number on your 1xBet account. Before we proceed, I would advise you create a professional 1xBet account, and to do that, you click on register, click on phone, and then on this next section, you input all your details correctly. And then on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After you input the promo code Chelsea TV, 1xBet is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000. And then you can go ahead and click on the 3 boxes, and then you register. Back to our video. So to change your phone number on your 1xBet account, you click on menu. After clicking on menu, you click on the personal profile icon above. Then you scroll down and click on phone number. Then on this next section, you input your country code. So you search for your country. When you are done, you input your phone number on this side. And when you are done, you click on next. It's very